Moving on, the magnificent Navratri festival in India came to a close with a vibrant celebration of Ravan Dahan. This year's festivities emphasized a message of communal harmony, showcasing more than just the impressive effigies of Ravan. In Agra, Muslim artisan Shabbir Ahmad Farooqui skillfully crafted the effigies of Ravan, Kumbhkaran and Meghnath, showcasing the strength of cultural collaboration and unity. Take a look.
Navratri, one of the most cherished festivals in India, concluded with the traditional Ravan Dahan on Dussehra, a crucial part of the celebration. Amidst the festivity, an inspiring story unfolded behind the scenes, serving as a testament to creativity and the spirit of community. A Muslim artisan, Shabbir Ahmad Farooqui, meticulously crafted the effigies of Ravan, Kumbhkaran and Meghnath, the key figures of the Hindu epic, the Ramayana. For decades, Shabbir's family has been perfecting the art of creating intricate effigies, a tradition that has become a cherished legacy passed down through generations. Their craftsmanship brings to life the iconic figures of the Dussehra festivities, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil.
30 साल हो गए अजमेर में, अभी 15 लोग हैं अभी तो। अब समय तो हमारा वैसे 1 महीने का रहता है यहाँ, मगर हम रात और दिन काम कर रहे हैं। सब लोग 4-5 बज जाते सुबह, 2 घंटे मुश्किल से नींद ले पाते, वापस फिर काम शुरू कर देते।
For Shabbir, it's a matter of pride that his family has been trusted with the responsibility of creating effigies for generations. His father and grandfather before him were engaged in the same craft, and over the years they have developed a unique style admired not only in Ajmer but across the region. By continuing this tradition, Shabbir shows how art transcends religious boundaries, promoting communal harmony. His family's story is not just about making effigies, but also about preserving a tradition that unites people from different faiths. Although Dussehra is a Hindu festival, Shabbir sees his work as a contribution to India's rich cultural heritage.